guys, Misty with Behold Beauty Boutique. I had several of you request that I do eyebrows and show you how I do my eyebrows. And as you can see, since I'm redheaded, my eyebrows don't show up that well on their own. So I will show you how to use the tattoo pen on one eye and then just the pencil on the other. So hang tight and we'll get started on the first eye. Okay, so I'm going to use the tattoo pen on this eye. This has little pretend hairs. Look. So I'm going to just draw this out to start with. And you can use the tip to not have to do the hair thing. Then I'm going to go back in and start filling in. I'm just going to put a lot of stuff on it. Hang on. Just kind of draw it out the shape that I want my eyebrow, and I come all the way down here and fill this in. And there is the first eyebrow. And that is all done with this pen. So if you can see the little hairs, and you can just kind of sweep it up along your natural eyebrow and just kind of fill it in as needed to do the shape that you want to do. So that's the first one. The other one I'm going to go and draw with a pencil. So again, I will start in the corner and kind of draw it out. And then I'll go back and fill it in. Just like that. So, there you go. One with the tattoo pen, and then the other with a pencil. And like I always tell everybody, remember your eyebrows. Think of them as sisters and not twins, because they're not always going to be just identical, and that's okay. So there you go. And then my final step when I do eyebrows is I use an eyebrow wax, and I go over them, and this makes it stay in place all day, so you don't have to worry. Simple as that. And I don't usually like the powder, so I use either the tattoo pen or pencil, but that is your preference. But you can do the powder the same way. And I always start and I just draw it out, and then I fill in. So there you go. There's your eyebrows. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.